Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine and trying to do your best for your educations. I welcome you in our computer activity class of HTML. Since you know very well, now we have learned how to create web pages and how to display them. In that series, today we will learn how to create ordered list. There are three types of lists in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and descriptive list. Today we will discuss ordered list and its attributes. First of all, I will like to tell you what is an ordered list. Ordered list is just, you can say, when you will write a list, all the list items are preceded with a particular numbers in a sequence. Like this, suppose we have just created a small list of students of their names. These names of the students are known as the list items. And all these are just preceded by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So that is why this list is known as the numbered list. This is also known as ordered list because it follows a particular order of numbers. These numbers can be changed as per the requirements, but for those you will use its different attributes. This list, ordered list, is created by using OL tag. The full form of it is O for ordered, L for list. It has its two attributes, type and start. We will discuss them later on, but before starting it, now we are going to start how to create an ordered list and how to write its code. Now it is our HTML document which we have created for this web page. First of all, we have started HTML. This defines the beginning of the web page. Second, the heading, use of list tag. In title, we have given the ordered list. After it, we have changed the background color as yellow, and after that we have used only a BR tag. Now we have started this OL tag and given the heading of the list of students. This one is that here. After that we have used this single tag LI many times here. This LI stands for list item. स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि ये सभी जो नेम्स हमने दिए हुए हैं, ये सभी जो है आपके लिस्ट आइटम कहलाती हैं। वो जो लिस्ट आइटम बनती है उसके लिए हम टैग यूज करते हैं LI. इट इज एन एम्प्टी टैग विच ओनली स्टार्ट्स बट डज नॉट रिक्वायर टू बी क्लोज्ड. After that, when we have suppose completed the list here, after it we have closed OL tag, means ordered list tag, then its body tag and HTML tag. This HTML closing tag defines that is the end of an HTML document. उसके बाद हम जो है इसको सेव करने के बाद .html एक्सटेंशन को सेव करने के बाद हम इसको ओपन जब ब्राउजर में करते हैं तो हमें ये वाली चीज मिलती है यहाँ पर. स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद इसके जो टू एट्रीब्यूट्स की मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आप लोगों को बताए थे, दिस OL टैग हैड इट्स टू एट्रीब्यूट्स, टाइप एंड स्टार्ट. टाइप का मतलब क्या है? Sometimes you do not want only the 1, 2, 3. You may want ABCD. It may be small or capital. Or sometimes you want the Roman numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These can be inserted either in smalls or caps. Means suppose you can say that now you have 5 types. Simple numbers, capital letters, small letters, capital Roman numbers and small Roman numbers. You have 5 types. How we can change these 1, 2, 3 with the Roman numbers or any alphabet? Now we are coming to that. इसके लिए जो है आप लोगों को जो लिस्ट OL टैग है इसका एक एट्रीब्यूट है जिसका आप यूज करते हैं, दैट इज टाइप. टाइप इक्वल टू you are to write only the number which you want to start. Suppose we want to give A, small a is there, just mention it in inverted commas. After changing it, just save it and come to the browser and refresh it. ये देखिए जैसे हमने स्मॉल ए वहां पर लगाया था, अब हमारे जो लिस्ट आइटम्स हैं वो स्मॉल ए से स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. Suppose if you want to change or want to see the another one, now we are going to make it capital. Now we have given this capital letter A in type. Now when we will save it, after saving, go to the browser and refresh it. ये देखिए हो गए कैपिटल्स में. Like this, you can also use the Roman numbers. Suppose I have given first. Save it. Come, open the browser and refresh it. Now these all are the Roman numbers which start from first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Like this, if you will define there only a small number or small Roman number, then it will appear in small. How it will happen? Like this, I have given small I. Save it. Come here and just refresh. Now these are the smalls. Clear? Now, sometimes you do not want your list that it should be start from 1. It should be start from first, or it should start from ABC. You want to start it suppose from the number 5. How you can do it? Suppose जो आपका यहाँ पर फर्स्ट लिखा हुआ है, आप यहाँ से फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करना नहीं चाहते, आप चाहते हैं कि जो हमारा फर्स्ट लिस्ट आइटम है इसका नंबर जो है 5 होना चाहिए. वो कैसे हम करेंगे? Let's come and see please. Suppose I have given 1 here, and its second attribute of OL tag is that is start equal to, then specify the number of on which that letter will appear. Suppose I have given 5. When your list start, it will accept the 5th position of the numbers. Now I have saved it. Refresh it. Now you can see जो नंबर 5 हमने वहां पर डिफाइन किया था वो नंबर एक्चुअल 5 नहीं है. इट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ एन अल्फाबेट ऑफ अ नंबर which appears at the 5th position in the natural series. That is why it starts from the 5 and onwards. Suppose sometimes you want to start it from 10. Write 10 after the start. Give the 10 value of the start attribute. Save it. Come to the browser. Refresh it. Now it from the start 10. In the same case, what happened if you give here just only not a number? I have just given this capital A. Now what will appear there? You can see and refresh it. Now J. J is at the 10th position in the alphabets. That is why it appears here. In the same case, like Roman numbers, suppose I have given this small I. Save it please first. Go to the browser. Go to the browser and refresh it. Now this is the 10 at the position. This is the position of the 10th. So you can use all these like this to create an ordered list and set its start. After it, mention its types. Which type of numbers do you want? It can be appear in this list. Okay students, I want to revise it once again. What you can do, you know very well how to define heading section, its title, close the title and head. Then you know very well how to change the background color. And after that, this is the new concept for today. This OL ordered list. You can specify its type. In डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास यू कैन गिव द नंबर ऑफ टाइप्स. टाइप्स का नंबर कौन सा आपको चाहिए? आपको अल्फाबेट्स चाहिए, रोमन नंबर चाहिए, या सिंपल जो है वो नंबर चाहिए 1 2 3. उसके बाद कहां से उसको आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं? स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू वट एवर द पोजिशन यू वॉन्ट टू डिफाइन. गिव द वैल्यू दिस स्टार्ट. आफ्टर दिस स्टार्ट, वट एवर द पोजिशन यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट, you can start it. Then we have just defined the heading of the list and after that its result is this one is the result for the following web page which we have created in the notepad. Okay students, so I want to say one thing more. Please, whenever you are sending me your practical activity, you will show me only this browser screen, not on the notepad screen. Okay, so friends, it's enough for today. Now you will create the ordered list, then send it to me, and it's enough for today. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.